Hi guys! So there has been lots of policy updates by Meta, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp on how they are using our information for AI. And lots of influencers are referring to this page to stop letting Meta use our information. But this is incorrect. Let's navigate to this page to show what it means. Open Instagram app. Go to your profile. Tap on these 3 lines. Scroll down. And go to About. Then go to Privacy Policy. So this is the new privacy policy. You can tap on it to see the full details. Anyway, tap on these 3 lines. Tap on Other Policies and Articles. Scroll down and tap on how Meta uses information for generative AI models and features. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Generative AI. Here are more details. Tap on Learn More and Submit Request here. Tap on I have a concern about my personal information from third parties. Now with this form, you can only file a complaint if your personal information appeared in response from an AI at Meta model. If you do not have anything as such, then this form is of no use. You will also need to share a screenshot of the issue as a proof. If you do not have these information, this form is useless and cannot stop Meta from using your information for AI. So what can you do? Unless you find any proof of your information being used by Meta, you can do nothing, sadly. So just be cautious on what you post on your social medias. Thank you.